Hello, Ducky.
What is this?
Guys, this here is for the birds. I hope not. I'm not a bird. Look how cute.
I noticed when you start taking a video or something, whole frog will shit hit the one right next to it, yapping.
No, you're looking at something. They want to see what you see. Mask plover. Is that one?
Wild food?
Plover.
Club.
Plover. Yeah.
I haven't seen a U in it.
That's what it is.
That's that lady right there was a plover.
Can you tell if this is a plover? Hey there.
No U in it. Cloud. Oh, that could be the one of you. Know your syllables.
I've heard of that bird before.
Oh, see the netting they got up there to keep them from escaping?
Yeah.
They can't get out. Huh?
Oh, stay there.
Yeah. What is that? Is that another plover? Ain't nothing in here that ain't supposed to be in here. That's why they got that net.
It ain't got his picture. There's a white duck. There's another. There's one right above your head.
Oh boy.
Picture's not on your head.
I don't want that. That'd be a nice shot. Watch it fall in slow motion. There comes Mama. This will make a nice picture. Oh, he's singing. Harry, what? Well, I got one free hand now.
You can put it over your head.
Damn! Look at here, Mama. Look in the bushes. There's a bird hiding in the bushes. I'm gonna get him if I get my finger.
Oh, that's the one I was talking about.
That was scary, Mama. Shout.
It's some kind of pigeon.
He
He's gonna come right out.
Yeah, I don't think he's scared of
I
you.
don't either. Oh, beautiful. It's a
Pigeon.
It's just a pigeon?
Boy,
Yeah.
it's some kind of knickerbocker.
Let's see, what am I taking a picture of a pigeon for? It's an exotic pigeon.
He doesn't think.
I feel like I should have a plow on me the way you put this thing on. What? Look, there's a peacock right here.
That's not it.
Well, look in here. What is this? You got the guide book and you ain't saying anything.
It's not, I don't see it on here.
Well, flip it over. Is there something on the other side?
Oh,
Yeah, it's two-sided there.
it's a pheasant pigeon.
Pheasant pigeon. A pheasant pigeon.
Yeah,
Is that what it says? Pheasant pigeon.
yeah.
Oh.
That's probably the hen over here. Because they're not very, they're not very bright colors. And the other one is beautiful.
Hiding in the bushes. Oh, thank you. Look, Mom, look at this one.
Oh my goodness. That must be the golden pheasant.
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful.
He ain't coming out.
Look over here. Look over here.
Who
Beautiful.
are you talking to? Yeah. You need to look like you need a hug. I gotta reconfigure this bag I got hanging around my neck. I feel like I need a plow on. Yeah. Look here, here's this white-headed water duck. White-headed water pigeon. Flip it over.
Pygmy goose.
Indian pygmy.
Yeah.
I
That's
don't know.
not him. That's a duck.
That golden thing back there was the prettiest one yet. You gotta put that guidebook in that thing. You're supposed to put that back in there. That's what I was just thinking.
Oh, where are we?